Another option that we can have in addition to the import message is to have a customized OR message appear whenever he rung entry is entered. So here we've got the same situation. We've got employee names and their salaries must be between $50,000 and $100,000 to say we are under $40,000 here. We will get an error message. So this is the default error message that Microsoft Excel gives us. However, we can actually create our custom OR message. So I'll press cancel here and then we can actually select the whole column here. Go to data validation. We've got our data validation rules set up already. If we go to our alert and here make sure that show URL alerts after invalid data is entered, this is ticked. Now we can have it customized OR message. Say I'm going to put salary in here as the title of the error message, and then salary must be between $50,000 and $100,000, and you can see where there are actually different styles, but these different styles here, the style warning and information signs, they're not just aesthetic styles. They actually do differ from each other, so they see the top style first. So click OK here. And as you can see here, they might put 40,000. I get an error message, sorry must be between 50,000 and 100,000. And I have the options of either retry, cancel or help, and help who's going to go to the Excel help. But if you click on retry, you're going to be prompted to enter the value again. So there is no option here to enter a wrong value. You cannot enter a value that is not between your boundaries, which are 50,000 and 100,000. This is not an option in case of the stop sign. So you can press cancel and then there is no entry. However, if you go to data validation again here after setting the whole column and change the style to warning, for example, this warning is not just an aesthetic change of the warning sign. If you press OK, and if I can put 40,000, this is a wrong entry. That is not between the boundaries. You can see your salary must be between 50,000, 100,000. Continue, yes, no, or cancel or help. As you can see here, there's an option actually to continue. So this is just a warning. This means that you can actually enter a value that is not between the boundaries or that does not conform with the data validation rule. So if you click yes, you are allowed your entry that does not conform with the data validation rule. So here this is the difference. In case of the warning sign, you are able to enter a value that does not conform with the data of all of the rule. Free, select the column again here, go to data validation and select the third one here, information, and let's try that one here. In this input 40,000, you can 0. Sorry, you must be between 50,000 to 100,000. OK, cancel or help. So cancel will just keep the entry. As you can see, your counsel has skipped the entry and try again. For the OK one, must press OK and OK, skip the entry as well. Zark, she comes on OK because of the information. They do keep at the same entry but probably are not going to use the information one. You probably want the warning one or the stop one. So that's it guys for the error alerts, the customer message that you can create in the data validation. This is an option that is applicable to any data validation rule that Ukraine is going to applicable throughout anything that we explain through the whole course. So thanks guys watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.